Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we are going to unbox the VEIKK S640 digital drawing pen. So let's start the unboxing video. So here is the packet. Let's open it first. So I bought this from daraz.pk. If you want to buy it, I will put the link in the video's description. So here is the packing and it's opened. Here it is. Here you can see VEIKK S640 pen tablet. On the side its name again, I really don't know how to pronounce it correctly. And here on the back we got some of its specification. So the model is S640. Its dimension working area is 6x4 inches. Report rate is 250 rps. Resolution is 580 lpi. We got a pen which is a battery free pen, so that's cool. We got a pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels. Reading height is 10 millimeter. Interface is a micro USB to connect to your PC, etc. And the color is black. So here we have some barcodes as well, and here we have the seal to cut off and to unbox it. Here it is. So it's quite neatly packed. So putting that aside, let's see what else in the box. So here we have our battery free pen for our graphics tablet in this quite cool little packaging to store it. Here it is. You can see its pen with its buttons to do different functions, and that's it. Here we have a tool as well as some extra nibs for the drawing pen as well. If the one becomes worn out, you can replace them with this one. Here we have its user manual as well, or a quick start guide. And here is the graphic tablet itself. Note: spare nibs, nib remover and quick start guide are in the box, so they're just telling you what else is in the box. So here we have a driver download kind of card. Thanks for choosing VEIKK. Please download VEIKK driver manual for your official. So you can download the driver for this on their website. I will put their link in the video description, so you can download the driver if you have it. So we have some barcodes for the social media as well. And here is the actual graphic tablet itself. So let's move the covering, and here it is. As you can see, it's quite clear, and honestly it's really thin. As you can see, like it's really thin from here. And here on the wire you got your usual USB type A cable to connect to your PC, laptop, etc. And here we have the device complies with this, so some of this and barcode, so nothing too much. But here is the actual graphic tablet. This is where you're going to write on it. So let me just hook it up with my laptop and see how it works. So here, as you can see on my laptop screen, I have opened the VEIKK website. I will put this website's link in the video description as well. So here on the top you see it says download and then driver. You're going to press on driver. So you got download for Windows and Mac. I'm a Windows user, so I'm going to download Windows, and it says S640, which is the model for our graphics tablet. If you have any of these, you can download it. If you're on Mac, then you're going to download from these. So if I'm a Windows user, that's why I'm going to press on the first link and I'm going to download the drivers. So the download has been complete. It was quite a small driver, around 18 MB. Here is the setup. You're going to right click on it and you're going to run it as an administrator. The default location, install. So it's installing the drivers. So would you like to install the device software? Yes, we need to install it so that it can detect the USB device, and complete. So now I'm going to connect the VEIKK S640 drawing tablet to my Windows PC, and now I'm going to run VEIKK tablet. So you can see once I connected my VEIKK tablet to my PC, it's now setting up. So we are going to wait until the device is set it up. In the meanwhile, you can see it will automatically select whichever VEIKK device you have connected. Since I connected the S640 model, it has automatically selected the S640 graphics tablet. So you can change the buttons from here, like this one is for erase, this one is for right click, and its pressure sensitivity and so on. So if I use the pen and you can see if I press on it, it will show its pressure sensitivity. So let's use some kind of app to check it out. I'm going to be using Sketchbook. You can use any of the app like Illustrator, Adobe, Photoshop, etc. So here you can see as I'm writing on it, it's working, but of course I'm going to need some time to handle with this because I'm really new to it. So if I write x plus y equal to 5, so you get the point, like it's working properly. You can change any of the colors there as well. So you can use with for drawing purposes like in Adobe Illustrator or anything. Like I'm really new to this graphics pen kind of thing, so it's really hard for me. But the main reason why I bought this, because I wanted to use it for the programming purposes. I'm making currently a YouTube channel on programming, so I wanted to show in some way how you can do programming. So that's the reason why I bought this graphics pen. So yeah, it's not the best writing of mine, but anyways, it will take me some used to hang with this VEIKK graphics tablet. But overall it's working perfectly all right, and you can change the orientation as I show you how you can go with the left hand mode or right hand mode. It mainly depends on you. Other than that, guys, this was just a quick unboxing of the VEIKK S640 writing tablet. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.